She's from Reno.
Are you guys just traveling through, or
Yep.
you report?
Yeah, we're traveling through on back roads. We've been on this trip for about a month, 2 months.
About a month.
Almost 2.
Woo!
You're telling me.
Yeah.
One of our longest. You know?
What's that?
One of our longest trips.
When are you longest too?
Yeah. Yeah, we broke down in Citronelle, Alabama.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
So are you like a reporter for something? Magazine?
No. Just I like
to
record beautiful stuff and show the world.
Well, I'm glad you're here. I'll show you inside also.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
So are these the big ones? Are those the old ones? Your first ones?
Uh-huh.
That's what I thought. For some reason, I just thought, wow, these are the old ones.
Yeah, well, this was an old RV place probably a long time ago. This was, this is all uranium mining country.
So a lot of this stuff may have been used in mines. Some of it.
What?
A lot of this stuff could be used in uranium mines.
Yeah, out there.
You know what I mean? Like
Yeah,
it was all left over from their operations.
That's why these places are kind of set up the way they are, man. It just came in. A lot of them were large trailer parks,
Oh, wow. This space is at Milan and Grant.
Yeah.
In the 70s, they were mining a lot of uranium.
Oh, yeah.
And then now it stopped.
Yeah.
Slow down. What year?
Oh, I would say probably about early 70s.
Oh, so they started mining in the 40s, 50s, 60s.
Right out of high school.
Oh, wow.
1970, I went to work in the mines to just get some money for college.
Yeah. So, okay, I wanted to ask you, are you familiar with the burners in Nevada? The Burning Man people?
Yeah.
Yeah, have you ever sold art to a city?
Have I ever...
Like metal art, a metal sculpture to a city, a large city.
To a large city?
Yeah, like Albuquerque, Santa Fe. They're looking for metal sculptures.
Well,
they love them. They love them. I recommend
they...
contacting the city of Reno or maybe like Albuquerque, Santa Fe. They buy these up because they want. Because
it's almost like I do the sculptures for myself, and I'm not real good about getting out there and saying, hey.
Yeah, someone needs to be like your agent, right? Get out there and like get these cities to come give you some cash, huh? Well, so you have more room, right? I mean, imagine if you had cash for your art, you could have some kids stronger than me going to get more junk.
Yeah,
cleaning up your junk, right, to be put together because you need someone to clean the rust.
Right.
Right. You could have like two college kids. Like, honestly, like there's kids out here that want to learn how to do this, and it's like you're doing abstract, right? You're doing an abstract sculpture, right?
Yeah.
But that's good. It's good because it gives people hands-on knowledge of welding structurally.
Yeah, it's okay. So
you can't learn how to balance this stuff in a book.
I'll just say, well, that's a caterpillar. Wow, where's the caterpillar? Well, that there, that's my caterpillar.
yeah. It's totally abstract.
And
I was an artist when I was a kid.
What's this? It's like, well, I'm not so sure.
You say what? You say it's whatever you want it to be.
That's right.
Duh. I like it because you know what it is. It is a form of creativity.
There's the big head right there, man.
Oh, I see it. I see the head. Look at that big head, babe. Kind of looks like me.
Yeah, well, I thought it looked like me.
Ah! I thought it looked. I like this. What do you feel? What does this one evoke in you?
Let me get in the fence, huh?
Okay. Sorry, we both went out. He went out. We went in, babe. Isn't that funny? What is that? What does this one evoke in you? This one, this big crazy one. It's nice, huh? That one on your right. Right there. The big one right here.
This one?
Yeah, that's on your right. Crazy, huh?
Yeah. Neighborhood? Oh, yeah. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for a neighbor. What you provide? Could you provide? There's a lovely day in its beauty.
I like this. I like this one. I like this one. It's simple, small.
Well, to me, they're all simple, but it's just
Yeah, they're simple, but that one, you know, less. It's even less. One piece. One piece of junk. Oh, wow. Look, this is more, you're getting more realistic with this one. Right here.
Which one?
This is this is your most realistic piece, isn't it? And that's realistic. It's like metal cartoon.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's not abstract, but wow. You're putting metal cartoon in metal. It's very interesting. I like that for realism, really. Oh man, was this supposed to you know what else I think people would purchase from you? God, this stuff would be amazing for like arbors that you grow vines on for businesses. Like you go to a hotel and they want an arbor, a junk arbor.
Yeah. Well,
and then they'll plant vines. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like this, like an artistic junk fence.
Yeah.
God, you need some more apprentices.
Recycled metal. And then
it's beautiful. It's infinite. Like a cow's not gonna get through there.
The entire fence, you know.
Yeah, and this is good for cows. Yeah. Imagine if you put more and more and more, you can make it good for a cat or a dog at least. Small dogs.
Yeah, we can always put
more and more and more. Like for a Chihuahua.
Yeah.
You'd fill it up, right? No one wants to apprentice with you. Have you contacted the colleges and say, look, you guys want me to inspire some of your students? Send whoever you want out here for their work credit or whatever, and then they'll help, the young lads will help you. You'll teach them how to weld. Creative welding is what it is, and it's big in Reno, in the burner community. Burning Man, the most famous art is metal, and it's like you're probably you're an outsider in the community, but they would love you.
Oh, for sure.
And you know what? You take a picture of your yard and you send it to Burning Man, and they'll give you a grant for like, a few $1,000s.
No kidding, huh?
And then you get your crew together and go and have a party.
All right.
What do you think about the fence, babe? This is.
Come on.
This is the fence.
I'll show you around. And this is I just started on it because I lived here years ago, and then I came back to kind of reclaim and do this, but I just didn't want to just have it. I wanted it to, if you drive, I just wanted your eyes to pop.
Oh, it works.
Yeah.
Especially painting each piece a different color. I like it. Because that paint really sticks to the metal.
Yeah, and the best thing is, in 2 years, if it fades out, I'll paint it again. I'll go buy some aerosol.
And now it's a new color.
And I may change it, or I may just
right.
Colors,
right, because you're painting right over the rust.
Yeah, I'm just going.
Right, and it doesn't laugh.
I mean, that's what you'd have.
Right, and one day, say you never upkeep it for 50 years, then it all looks beautifully the same.
Yeah.
Wow, right? And then say some kid in the future, he polishes every beat. Now it's all shining for a while. Silver.
Yeah.
Someone sandblasts every piece one day.
Exactly.
It's like an ever-changing, but like a permanent thing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. And
paint,
and what you
rust,
do,
or polish.
Like I leave like parts of it, like right there.
Yeah, like you want that dark.
You can see that rust, that old paint. And so I said, no, well, let that.
You like that because it makes the cross pop.
Yes.
Yeah, you know what? I'm thinking there'd be some college kids that would love to come out here and learn and just express. And then the college will start giving you grants. Maybe they'll make you an honorary professor of art. You know what I mean? Look, you already have a degree. It's like because who knows?
And this is, you come out. What happens is that people drive by. And they slow down. It's like, what in the hell is this guy doing?
Oh yeah, I love it. I love it. Maybe a steel box with a little suggested donation, and then it's like the people throwing some cash in there, huh? Just put, you make metal. Why don't you make a cool box that says, "Donate, please"?
One of these days, but I just kind of like, I'm doing it for myself anyway.
Well, it's beautiful.
And so, I've got a metal pile right over there.
Well, what if you used 100% of the proceeds to hire an apprentice?
What's that?
100% of the proceeds on the box to hire an apprentice. Some kid to inspire them.
Good.
You know what I mean? Because,
because
your creativity can shine through in another soul one day.
It can.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like this. Honestly, I've seen a good amount of metal art. I've never seen someone so far outside of like, I don't know, like just not, you know, like a different your generation. Honestly, doing something like this, quite like this. It's zany. It's wild. It's abstract.
At the Arts Council in Grants.
How's that? How do you like that?
I'm the director, man.
You are the director.
Automatically, just.
So the universities know.
But it's not like I push anything that I'm doing on someone else.
No.
It's like I fell into this through wood carving.
Right. Wow.
And wood carving, a friend of mine said, "Hey, you need to take a class in welding." I said, "What? I don't care about welding."
Yeah, that's lame.
So I did it. So then all of a sudden it's like, oh.
Right after the class? You thought about doing the sculptures? Directly after the class? Or years after the class?
No, I mean, it was like, I was a wood carver.
Yeah.
That's what I like to do.
Yeah.
So a friend of mine.
So you did the wedding. You did the welding class.
Let's take a welding class. And I was like, I don't care about welding. Come on. So I went in, and I go like, oh, I like this.
Yeah, it's fun.
No. But it's totally different.
Well, how long after that first class did you do your first sculpture?
I did them before.
You did a few before.
I took pieces of metal and pushed them together.
Where are those?
Class.
Where? Oh.
So they're saying, like, what are you doing? Well, I'm taking this home. Well,
they're like, what? It looks crazy. You're like, I like it. It's like, where is that one? Where is that one?
That's my second sculpture. What do you mean I can't take it home?
Where is it? Where's that one? Oh, gone.
Yeah. I mean, it's like...
It's hilarious.
At first, you know, I mean, you start out doing stuff, and someone says, I'll give you $50 for that. You're so excited. You go like, oh, you know, you really want it? Oh, and it's just, you know, and then you go back and go like, And so now, you know, I'm very careful about that. I really don't give a damn about selling it unless someone really likes the piece.
Really likes it.
Negotiate with them.
Yeah. It's beautiful, honestly. I like, you know, I've never really seen so much abstract metal art in one place, especially private residence.
Yeah, you know, I mean, it's like, this is New Mexico. I mean, it's like, you expect some abstract art probably up in Santa Fe and Taos.
Sure.
But out here...
I've never seen that much there. I've seen a little.
Huh?
I've seen a little in Taos. And I've seen it in big cities, but you're right.
This, that piece...
This is a lot.
Out on 117.
Uh-huh.
And I went into a cave, and I saw...
That thing.
Well, this is the yellow.
The eyeball. Oh, okay. Yeah. What part was in the cave?
Like, oh my God. And so I had like a little notepad. And I scribbled the drawing down.
Oh, it was a petroglyph.
Petroglyph.
It's a petroglyph in metal.
Yes. And so there is the same petroglyph in Chaco that...
You noticed it?
Huh?
You noticed it? Or you saw it in a book or something?
What?
You noticed it in real life or in a book?
I saw it.
You went out to Chaco.
I'd been to Chaco before.
And you noticed.
And I went into this place, and it was huge.
Oh.
It just kind of froze me. I mean, it was like...
you're like, it's the same exact one.
Look at that. So what I did was I took out my little notepad and drew it, and then a couple of months later, I cut one out. And I have no idea what happened to the first one. I think somebody ran off with it.
Oh.
This is the second one. But it's probably the one over on 117 is probably 2 to 3 feet taller.
What?
And
bigger.
Huh?
Bigger,
yeah. And the head and everything, the lines are all just carved in, probably about an inch into the sandstone.
How that is.
But I drew it out. I said, I love this.
How funny. I like petroglyphs too. I love petroglyphs as well.
Yeah, I love petroglyphs too.
I think that's a good idea to put them in metal permanently. Because it's like they're already permanently in rock. But they're so simple that they can be done in welding and metal.
Yeah.
They're not super duper intricate. But that's fantastic.
How led you here?
Huh?
How'd you end up here?
Oh, God, avoiding all highways and interstates.
What?
From Florida to Reno. Not getting on interstates. Right now we're going south. Hey, you can direct me.
But there's something
to the Bandera Ice Caves, and where are they? And the Cibola National Forest. That's where we're going right now.
Bandera Ice Caves. Yeah, well, you're gonna cut down back there into the Sunny Mountains.
Yeah. Where do I go? Out of town. How do I get there?
Well,
right?
What you do is just get back on I-40.
Uh-huh.
And then there's a bridge that goes over the interstate.
Oh, that's it. That next right?
Yeah,
and there's the Zuni Mountains.
53.
Yep.
And you just keep going up there.
That's where we're going. When's the last time you were there, sir?
Beautiful place.
I can't wait. That's one reason we travel too. Like this. For the beauty. You know what I mean?
Well, yeah.
The byways and highways.
Yeah.
Or highways and byways. Even though on Google it's avoid highways, it makes you avoid interstates and major highways. Puts you on small highways and byways. And even gravel roads if you let it. If you let the artificial intelligence.
When the hell did you hear about me?
I didn't. It took us right by your place.
Who did?
The artificial intelligent Google Maps system. When I press avoid. No, actually, I had it off. And I'm directionally trying to go and get out there, the Bandera Ice Caves.
Yeah.
So I was headed south, paralleling the interstate without getting on the interstate. And it just so happened my direction put me by here. Yeah, I stopped using Google like about 30 minutes ago after we ate.
Yeah.
At the trading post, the gas station with all the kachinas on it. Oh, have you ever thought about that?
What's that?
Try to do some crazy metal kachinas. You've seen them before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you haven't ever done one giant kachina.
Could happen.
Because they're simple. Rectangle eyes, rectangle mouth, huh?
Yeah.
And they are beautiful. Gosh, they have so much power, huh?
Yeah.
Just that whole circle.
You know, I think what I would do, maybe this summer, is like go out to Chaco Canyon, take some photographs.
And do more petroglyphs.
Huh?
Do more petroglyphs.
Do some petroglyphs.
I think that's a good idea. Because it's like so cool.
Yeah.
I noticed it, but I didn't really think to myself, hey, this has a specific meaning. But now that you say it and I look around, I'm like, oh, wow.
Yeah,
it is.
Like something like that's a petroglyph. And, you know, it's like I don't want to copy something that someone's already done. And so, you know, I kind of, and I like petroglyphs.
Yeah, no, it's like, it's not even, I wouldn't even say it's copying, it's like keeping alive.
Yeah.
You know, getting them out there.
And it's like through the rim in on it. You know, just to say, yeah, okay, this is contemporary.
Yeah, there you go. I see.
Because if it was just...
The rim is on it.
Yeah, it's like, here we are, man.
Funny.
Here's a petroglyph, and here's Route 66.
Right.
Against each other.
Right.
So it's
Yeah,
like
here's the old and the new.
Yeah.
I love it. It's fantastic. So what's your name anyway? Robert William. Nice to meet you.
William, man. All right, man.
Thanks, Robert.